Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. Hope you are doing well today. So if you're watching this video, thank you very much. I do appreciate your support and your view time. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reply to my emails, reach out to me on Skype. You can even reach out to me on Facebook and or YouTube. So today I want to show you inside of a 4,000 plus affiliate website. And the reason I want to show this to you, the reason it is important is because in the beginning, when you're starting your affiliate marketing journey, you're going to have a lot of questions. And the typical questions are going to be around what is a good niche to choose for affiliate marketing? How much can that niche actually make? Will the niche be profitable for me? And what strategy should I actually do so that I make money, right? Because when you set out to do affiliate marketing or online marketing, internet marketing, you typically do have some sort of result you want back. In a lot of cases, it's going to be the money factor because the money buys you the things that you want, the emotional things like more free time, family vacations, work for yourself so you have more flexibility and you can work from anywhere, right? So typically you want the money to actually buy you some sort of emotional thing that will essentially make you happier. So one of the best ways to figure out what actually works is to look at successful examples. And a hack that I use is to actually look at websites that are for sale. Because when they are for sale, they actually release a lot of information about the site. So you can learn what it took to get that site where it is, what strategies they did, what affiliate programs they did, what niche they did, and essentially how much money you can make from it. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So this site here today that we're going to talk about and review is called the Big Organic Garden. So that is the actual domain name. It is a pretty catchy domain name, and I can tell you that this site was just sold for about $4,000. Now granted, it made more money than $4,000, and I'm going to show you why, because it was actually generating income monthly, and they actually used that monthly income to put a price tag on the site to actually sell it for the $4,000. Now, this is going to be in the gardening niche. Gardening niche is going to be seasonal. However, there have been many affiliates that have gone into this niche and actually made a lot of money with it. And what's interesting about this particular niche, the gardening niche, is that it's organic garden. So when I talk about subtopics or sub niches, I'm referring to drilling down to a little bit more specific topic. So gardening is broad because you have all types of gardening, right? Well, organic gardening is growing specific things that are organic. So that's a little bit more specific, but you know what? That is still a huge, huge niche. And it's also timely with the world the way it is. A lot of people are getting more health savvy, and they're learning that when they actually eat better things like organic things, it actually does less harm to their body, right? That's what they're learning. That's what they're being told. So that is what's driving this particular topic, and in my opinion, it's a very, very hot niche today. Now, there are going to be a lot of things you can do to sort of shortcut your progress to this. When you start looking into this and start looking into the details, you're going to ask your questions, well, how do I do that? Like specifically, what do I do step by step? And I'm going to show you some solutions to that as we go out through the video. So just keep watching. I'm definitely going to try to keep this as short and sweet for you, but I want to make sure you get major value out of this and you really see what it takes to make something like this successful. So I told you this site was just sold for $4,000 plus. So let me show you how I know that. So for me personally, I sign up for email notifications when I want to learn more information. So this particular email list in the website actually sends me listings of websites that are for sale very frequently. Every time a new website is added to the website for sale, I will get a notification about it with a bunch of information and the ability to go get more information. So this particular site was listed for $4,050. The site itself is a year old and 5 months, making about $90 per month via Amazon. So that's going to be the Amazon affiliate program, and also AdSense. So that's going to be the ads, right? So let me show you exactly what that is. So on the home page here, you're going to see this ad. So this is AdSense. AdSense just allows you to put and place ads onto your website, and other companies pay money to have their ad displayed on websites that will allow ad display, right? So this site is making money because they allow ads to be shown on their website. And anytime someone clicks on this, the website owner actually gets a very small percentage. Now, it's a very small percentage, but it adds up over time. So if you get enough traffic to this website and you get enough clicks, this becomes a pretty profitable revenue stream because it's kind of easy. You don't have to do anything else but build out your website, make sure it gets traffic, relevant traffic, because typically the ads are going to be kind of associated to your website. And then the more you do that, the more you increase your chances of people clicking on the ad. So that's one revenue, right? And so as you click into the articles, you're going to see this particular strategy used again. So here you go. You see this little X. This is another ad. So this is more ads onto the individual pages in addition to this banner ad here. But what I want you to see is the second strategy this website is using, which is affiliate marketing. And they're using the Amazon affiliate program. So Amazon affiliate program is called Amazon Associates. Now, it's not really the most popular affiliate program anymore. It used to be, but they basically slashed their commission rates. So they made them really, really low. And so in order for you to make like a lot of income from Amazon, you have to sell a lot of products. And so that gives you a lot of flexibility to basically go and add other affiliate programs and products to your website. But it's easy to get started with Amazon. So that is why a lot of people will just go with Amazon, because it is going to be easy to sell. Amazon is a fairly easy affiliate program to join, which is great if you are a beginner affiliate marketer. Now, don't take that as you just have launch a website and you build one page and you go request access for Amazon Associates. You need to have a little traffic because they're going to ask you that, but it doesn't take a lot. So Amazon is really popular to get started with. Now, this is Amazon, and the reason I can tell you is that sometimes you will see the Amazon button, but there's a couple of ways that you can actually see this. So when you hover over the check price, they're doing this because Amazon does not allow you to actually show the price because the price has changed. So they are doing this in line with the Amazon affiliate program requirements, which is this. But when you hover over this check button, look at the bottom left of your screen, you can see that it says amazon.to/ and a bunch of numbers. That is basically a short link that's going to take me to Amazon. So anytime I click on that button, I immediately go to Amazon. And not only do I go to Amazon, but I actually am being tracked. I'm going to move my mouse up here. I'm actually being tracked with the person, the affiliate that just sent me. I'm being tracked with their code. So you're typically going to see that somewhere in here. Anytime I come here and actually buy something, they are going to get credit for the sale. What's unique about Amazon is that maybe I don't actually buy this product right here. Maybe I go buy something else. Well, they still get credit for the sale. So they get credit for whatever I buy within the period of time of the cookie that's being tracked. So the cookie is actually being tracked. I think it's only 24 hours now. It's not very long. So that's another reason Amazon is not always the best affiliate network, but it's a really good one to get started with. Okay, so let's go back to this site. So this is a comparison table. What they are doing is they are actually doing reviews, right? Like, so the best fertilizer for fig trees. So what they're doing is actually reviewing the best fertilizers that you can use to grow organic fig trees, right? Very, very specific, great keyword to target. And they have this handy dandy chart. Now there's a bunch of ways that you can do this. This is a website. So this obviously requires you to do website hosting and launch it and add essentially these product reviews and comparison tables. However, one of the easiest ways to get started is going to be with a WordPress website, because they offer you a lot of plugins that allow you to do a lot of these cool things. So there are probably 101 different plugins that will allow you to embed these type of comparison tables. The plugin could be called something like WordPress Review plugin, and it's going to allow you to build out reviews really easily that look nice, that have these comparison tables. You can have a lot of flexibility. I personally use Thrive Themes with my WordPress website, and Thrive Themes allows me to do just this. It allows me to do all of these different sort of options to pull in comparison charts, to pull in these pretty images, and etc. So there's lots of different ways you can actually build these out. But when you do this, this is what you can actually achieve, right? So there are the two specific ways that this one website is making money. So that is how this site is making $90 a month. Now, let's go a little bit deeper into the back end of the website, meaning what did it actually take to get to that $90 a month, and how was it actually sold for $4,000 plus, right? Well, the website has been around for a year and a half, but what was interesting is the current owner had not done any work to the site in the last 5 months. So all of the work was done in the first year of the website, and then the website owner just let it sit. And that's what you want to do. When you build a website, it is not an instant takeoff. It can take about 6 months and sometimes even longer for Google to learn to trust your site, especially if it's new. But also it takes that time for you to put enough content on there to get recognized for Google and to give Google and other search engines a reason to show your content for specific keyword searches. So that's what SEO and search engine optimization is all about. It's the ability to rank your content in those searches so that you get the clicks, and when you get the clicks, you get the traffic, you get the views, you get the potential buyers to click on your affiliate links where you make your affiliate commissions, right? And so the site is actually ranking for 1,895 keywords with some good buyer intent keywords. So that is important to know when you're when you're creating content for a website. There are different in the type of content you can create, and they target people in different buyer journeys. So different journeys of their buyer pattern. Sometimes they're just researching the organic garden, but they're not sold on it. That's typically going to be like how to get started with organic gardening. What tools do I need? So they're really just researching the process. But if someone has built a garden and needs supplies like, the best 5 raking tools for your garden, the best 5 fertilizers for your garden, you know that someone actually likely already has the garden itself and they need fertilizers. So they are in a buying pattern. So that's what it means by, some keywords with good buyer intent. But in the beginning, you do the best you can. You find a really good training. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out the links below. Not only do I have step-by-step training for you that will teach you all of this stuff, how to build affiliate websites, I also have a solution for the actual content, and that's pretty cool. So you can actually buy done for you content, or PLR, what it's called, and there's a whole pack around organic gardening, which I think is pretty cool. So if you're interested in this particular niche or something very similar, you can actually use content to not only help you get started faster, but the content will actually give you keywords that you can go after and research keywords that you can go after that you actually have a chance of actually ranking for. So that's pretty cool. So I will include some more information on the page below for you, but for this particular video, I want to make sure you see what it takes to actually build up a website like this. So this is really cool. When you're researching sites, you can actually see like their Google Analytics. So you see their back end performance of what their top posts are. You can see where their traffic is coming from, and you can see what traffic sources are actually driving traffic. So in this case, it is all coming from organic SEO. SEO has the power of being a very powerful skill and can make you a lot of money. So this is actually the proof of income, which shows you how much money they've made from Amazon. It should also show you the actual Google AdSense, so you can see how much they're making from the ads here. And if you zoom in here, you can see that the amounts are pretty low per ad. However, they add up. So never dismiss something because it's only $1 or 50 cents or $2. But you get enough of those to add up, and it adds up pretty quickly. But that's why it's really neat to look at sites for sale, and this is one of the sites that you can do that with. Now over here you can see an actual list of the 9 months of how it made its money through Amazon and also AdSense. So pretty cool, huh? Now, if you keep scrolling down, you'll get more information. So this is where it basically tells you how many keywords it's ranking for, how many keywords are actually on the first page, The actual domain and the website has an authority score of 17, so that's actually pretty good. The lower the number, the higher the authority you have. Majority of the traffic is coming from US. So you can see that it's mostly a US market that they're targeting. You could also learn more about the backlink analysis. Now, in my opinion, this is kind of an advanced SEO strategy, especially if you're getting started. Start with a good niche, get the website up and running, focus on the content. That is where your money is going to come from. It's going to come from the content and actually making very high quality content that helps the person learn the particular question or topic they are searching for, right? And so if you come down, I wanted you to see this particular answer right here. So what I thought was really interesting is they didn't actually answer the question of how many total articles are on the site. They answered the question in words, but there are over 1 million words on this site, right? Which is a lot of words. And you can learn some additional information about the site, including what the owner would do to actually make more money from this. And they tell you to invest in low competitive buying and informative keywords, write in-depth articles around them that maintain on-page SEO chores. So when you're talking about search engine optimization, you have on-page SEO, which means optimizing the page to rank for multiple keywords, which is going to help get you the traffic. And one of the most popular questions I like to see is what the actual expenses are behind the site. So you can pop this out and you can see that, they've spent $17 a year on the domain, $140 on the hosting. So the better hosting you have, the more it's going to cost you. The reason you would buy better hosting is because you want speed and performance. And a lot of times the higher hosting packages will give you that feature, which is going to help you rank in the long run. Content, $1,000, $1,000+ So if you're not doing the content yourself, you can spend a lot of money on content, but as mentioned earlier, there are some shortcuts that you can do to help save you time and help you learn how to build and create really high quality content. So just know for Affiliate Marketing Informant, that's exactly what we do. We create content, we create it for free. It gets ranked in Google and also YouTube, which is another strategy that we do. And because of that content, because it is high quality content in the sense that it answers questions, it helps you out, it teaches you something you didn't already know. That content helps to bring us the traffic to our web pages and our affiliate links so that we make affiliate commission. And you can easily make money from product reviews because when people are searching for specific products and the reviews on them, they're typically further down in the buyer cycle, which means they are closer to being ready to buy, which is good for you because if your review seals the deal, they are likely to click on your affiliate link where you get credit for the affiliate sell and you get the affiliate commission. So link building, $150. So this is sort of the backlink strategy that absolutely is stated to be a mandatory strategy, but just know that when you're starting in the beginning, you work up to that. It's not something that you do immediately. So I hope this particular video has helped you out. If you have any questions, definitely just check out my email below, or you can reply to the email that this is going to be sent in. But if anything, I hope that that gives you some insight of what it actually takes. And so it's really not that difficult. And I know that I may have thrown a lot of things out at you, but it's actually all right there. So you know that you need to create high quality content. You need to go after keywords that are low competition, which gives you the ability to actually rank for them. And you just need to do that over and over and over again, right? And so that is how you can not only make monthly commissions, but you can also potentially turn around and sell the site once it starts making consistent monthly commission for a high dollar price tag. So not only did they get $4,000 for the website sale, they also got the $90 every month for the past 9 months that had been generating before they actually put up the website for sale. So how cool is that? So if you have any questions, definitely reach out. I hope this helps you out. Look out for my next video. We're going to look into another niche for more ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.